I don't want it really loose. I'd like it to be really firmly packed. And when we get enough of it up, then we'll see where these edges are, and we'll be able to set another layer of pots above them. I want to see where the tall edges are.
This bucket's not long for this one.
No.
The edges are cracky.
Like some of the pots? No.
We call those cycloceramics.
Yeah.
Have we got enough in there, or do I need to put more?
Put more.
Make sure it's around them.
Okay, enough for now. I want to be able to see where these pots are when we go to stack on top of them. That's the drum. There's a big drum in here, right?
You're doing fine, Andrew. You're so worried.
I'm for sure not touching no pots today, because I ain't breaking nothing.
Blame the southerner.
Maybe hillbilly.
Sure.
The foreigner.
Hillbilly Deluxe.
Is that with Hillbilly Deluxe? Is that with
With
lettuce and
fries?
tomato?
Yeah. Fries with that?
It actually comes with extra bacon.
Hillbilly Deluxe.
Yeah. Oh. DLC.
Drums.
There's one there.
Oops.
Yeah, there's one right there.
This one's got all of its holes all the way through. Yeah.
So they're not going to fall when all the sawdust burns away.
They're going to gently keep on
Gotcha.
Okay. It's not all going to quite make it. We'll leave me out.
So many big ones.
Oh, that's why y'all don't have any coil.
So big.
What? Take the picture.
Gonna go away, spider.
Better
Burn.
escape quick.
Careful, it's dangling now.
The spider.
Could be a radioactive spider.
Spider pig, spider pig. I still need to see that movie.
Yes, you do.
I still need to see College, but that's it.
No, you don't want to see cars.
Is it that good?
I didn't like it.
I'll keep it.
I bought Ratatouille yesterday.
Is it any good?
I haven't seen it yet.
I haven't seen Ratatouille yet.
I'll watch on the weekend.
Why do you always have to make mention of things that remind me of
put them in. Now, if I wanted to get it in, all of it, could try that there.
Can't do another layer, I guess. Can you do another layer or no?
Well, kind of, but I don't want to put that one big pot. This I could put the little guys.
Put the little ones in between. Is that really low?
This one is a better pot.
The little guys, and that's your tall one, and that's it. Here's the little guys.
You know, a little bit of sawdust. You know, it's simple. Okay.
More?
No. Okay. Okay. Okay, now just keep filling her up.
Hang on the camera.
Sure.
Keep filling her up. Load her
Leave
up.
your big one out, or?
Yeah, I'll leave it out.
This is getting empty.
Well, we got another one if we have to.
Just watch out for extra pots in there.
You take the other
If
one.
if the firing is bad, I can refire. What would be a bad fire? When a tremendous amount of it doesn't burn down well, or there's a whole area where it just didn't burn at all. In which case, just rearrange everything, dry it all out, put in fresh sawdust, and start again.
Does that happen often?
No. Only happened once that I had to put 2 or 3 pieces back in with another load that was like, we had too many pots to do it in a single shot. So now let's go down and just very firmly and carefully pack in. Remember, you got pots below in many cases, so you just keep dumping. You got to keep spreading out the sawdust into the corners. If that's the end of it, we're going to have to bring the other one too, or part of the other one anyhow. So just gently coax it all down. Yeah, I guess you're going to, let's Steve dump it all in here.
Watch the lid.
Watch out for the lid. Okay, now if you could go, we're going to need some more, even if it's only like a quarter of a container's worth. So you might take that back, use the scoop thingy, and just sort of
Good point.
imagine this is how much space we're going to fill up.
Okay.
This one's really close to the top.
Looks really delicate.
Sometimes you put a piece over top. Cut it in. That's such a piece. So we're down to all but that last one pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So what is the size determined by? The size of it?
Rows of bricks that you can get, how many kiln shelves you got to work your roof.
So obviously you wouldn't want to make it any deeper than you could comfortably work in.
Well, she used to fire sometimes about this high, but she would make it a square and then line it with tin, and then leave the roof open much more than what we're going to do. But sometimes you just fire one pot. Well, if you can get $11,000 for a pot, you might be careful and just do that one pot one at a time. I don't remember one pot she sold at that
foresee
kind of
that
price.
happening anytime in the near future.
No, we'd have a hard time getting $2,000 out of the whole lot. We'd have a hard time doing that.
A hard time, absolutely.
If you go to where you saw the video of Maria Martinez, and then if you can find any of her pots now, I think the smallest little plate or dish is like $2,000.
Yes,
It's
I
just
actually had a
collectible.
look, and they're
they're
most
great.
of them in the 4 and up range.
Yeah. Okay.